Welcome to Cooking with Margie. I'm so glad that you joined me today because I'm going to make a winter citrus salad that is extremely refreshing. So we're going to start off with our dressing, and using this mason jar is just a really simple hack. So I've got a third of a cup of olive oil. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Add a little bit of sweetness to it. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of spicy brown mustard. Now, if you prefer Dijon mustard, you could use that as well. Mustard is a very good emulsifier, so it's going to help your dressing to stay together. I also have 1 tablespoon of honey, which has to me, it has a much richer flavor than sugar, but and it's actually a little bit sweeter than sugar. And I got this one from my local beekeeper. I also have 1 clove of garlic that I've chopped up, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So doesn't that sound like a great combination? So the only thing missing is a little bit of pepper, and then for some people you might want to add some salt. Depends on if you like to add salt to your foods. Okay, so now all we need to do is shake this. And then there you have your lemon orange citrus dressing. Excuse me, lime orange citrus dressing. We'll shake that again before we toss our salad. So our salad today is consisting of, I've got 4 cups of lettuce, and I just used romaine lettuce, but you could use any type of lettuce that you like. I have 2 of these green onions that I've sliced thinly. 3 citrus fruits. So I used blood oranges, and they are going to add a beautiful color. They're also in season now because they certainly harvest the citrus in the fall down in Florida. So I also took 1 can of garbanzo beans, and I just roasted those in a 400-degree oven. So they're going to add a little bit of crunch. A half a cup of dried cranberries, and then a half a cup of pecans that I've also roasted up. Toss that in. Okay. I also have, you could put anything you want in your salad, of course. I also have a little bit of avocado to toss in, and then I think I will top it with this goat cheese, but you could use a different type of goat cheese or no cheese at all. Okay, so toss that up a little bit, and we're going to just mix in our dressing. You could use this as a main course or a side salad, either way. Certainly the chickpeas provide some protein, and the cheese does as well. So it's a bit of a heartier salad than is needed for just a side salad. So if you're not going to serve it right away, you should wait to dress the whole thing, obviously, because it'll get wilted. So that's why I'm just going to do this 1 serving right now. Just kind of toss that nice citrus dressing in. Here we are with the avocado. And the goat cheese. Okay, well, if that doesn't make you feel better in winter and more refreshed, I don't know what will. So I hope that you try the recipe. Thanks for joining me.